One of the best aspects of the first-generation Corvette is the car's ability to suit a wide variety of personalities without ever straying from its performance roots. From refined to sinister, a change of paint or induction is all it really takes to show these Chevys in an entirely new light. This national award-winning roadster airs on the sportier side of possibilities thanks to its smooth dual-quad 327. But don't let that hot performance distract you. This dreamy drop top is also packing some serious style. Wrapping a quintessential red interior in crisp Ermine White paint, this Vette is a solid cruiser that's benefited from careful restoration. If you're looking for an awesome classic that's fun, attractive, and ready to roll, you simply won't find a cooler car for the money. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.